On 10 December, the Rathwa community of Vardi village at Devbhumi Malun in Chota Udaipur will witness an event that happens only once in a century. It is the renewal and installation of their ancestral deities, a tradition almost 100 years old. Preparations for the ceremony are already in full pace. The formal invitation to the gods and to the extended village relatives has already been completed, setting the stage for this historic gathering. In the sacred ceremony, 16 village gods will be installed on the teak wood sticks placed firmly into the earth. For the Rathwas, the soil, the forest, and the land are living presences, and the act of planting these wooden deity posts symbolizes the gods taking root once again in the heart of the community. The entire village will gather as elder priests and families, perform age-old rituals, offer prayers, and invite the deities into their newly prepared sacred space. As night falls, Devbhumi Malun will come alive with color, song, and celebration. At the center of the festivities is the famous Timli dance, a traditional Rathwa group dance performed in a circular rhythm. Young and old move together in perfect coordination to the sound of drums and folk instruments, creating a spiral of energy that continues late into the night. The Timli is more than a dance. It is a form of devotion, unity, and joy that binds the entire community. The ceremony concludes with an all-night mela filled with music, storytelling, food, and cultural performances. For today's generation, witnessing this event is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, a living expression of indigenous heritage that has survived through memory, belief, and collective celebration. The historical ritual reflects the deep spiritual bond between the Rathwa people, their land, and their gods, and stands as a powerful reminder of India's rich and enduring tribal traditions.